Here's how to force remove a Docker image that Docker says is in use. If Docker says an image is in use and refuses to delete it, here's what's actually happening and how to remove it safely. Let me show you how it works. Open Docker Desktop and click Images in the left sidebar. Try to delete an image by clicking the trash icon next to it. If a running or stopped container is using that image, Docker shows an error after you confirm the deletion. Docker blocks the deletion because removing an image that a container depends on would break the container. That's a safety measure, plain and simple. So what do you do next? If you run into this error, the terminal is your next stop. Open the terminal from Docker Desktop by clicking the terminal icon, then run docker image rmf, followed by either the image name or the image ID. I'll use the image name this time. Press enter. The -f flag tells Docker to force the removal. It bypasses the safety check that normally requires the image to be unused. The command removes the image but leaves the container behind. If the container is still there, it becomes an orphan. So the -f flag is powerful, but it leaves orphaned containers behind. Keep that in mind before you use it. When you force remove an image by its image ID, Docker removes all tags that reference that image before deleting it. Then type docker image ls to confirm the image is gone from your local image store. When it's gone, it's really gone. There's no partial state or phantom references to worry about. Sometimes the -f flag itself fails. Docker can still refuse the removal if a container is actively using the image in certain states. That's where the real fix comes in. Run docker ps-a to list every container, both running and stopped. Then type docker rm-f followed by the container name or ID. This force removes the container, even if it's still running, once every container tied to that image is gone. Run docker image rm-f followed by the image name or image ID. It should go through this time. Then type docker image ls to verify the image is gone. The image and its container are gone now. Done. And that's basically how you clean house. Remove the container first, then remove the image. The -f flag removes Docker's safety barrier, so you can delete something the system would normally protect. It only affects the image you target, not unrelated containers or data. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.